Hello and welcome guys. Today we're going to be doing a video about stocks and shares ISA and everything that you need to know about it. So starting off, what is a stocks and shares ISA? It is basically a tax advantaged stock account. In the US, if someone is watching from there, you have 401k or the Roth IRA. In other countries, there's probably going to be a different name for it, but basically within a given tax year, you can deposit a certain amount of money into your account, into stocks and shares ISA account, where you don't have to pay taxes, or the taxes that you pay are lower than if you was to invest in a general investment account. In the UK, we're going to get into the details, but there is no taxes and you can invest up to £20,000, but we're going to get into it on Freetrade specifically. Stocks and shares ISA, it has a flat fee of £3 a month, which is pretty much nothing. And there are no commissions for placing trades. That is systematic with the whole trading platform. There are no commissions for placing any trades. You can see here that you have two buttons. You can open an ISA or you can transfer your ISA. So why is there a transfer your ISA button? Because within a given tax year, you can only have one ISA open that you are investing into. If you have already declared that you're going to be investing your money into Freetrade ISA, that is the ISA that you're going to be investing into. You cannot be splitting your money into different ISAs. You can only have one open during the year. So if you have an ISA open from last year with a different broker, you can basically transfer it into a Freetrade and start investing here. So why invest in an ISA? This is the most important questions that we have to answer. First of all, ignoring the list, you can buy your own stocks. So you are deciding where you want your money to go. If you have done some research and you want to buy some ETFs, then you can put your money there. If you have a company that actually like, that you understand and you know what they're doing, you can invest your money into that. Nobody is investing the money for you. You can invest it on your own and you can choose the stocks that you actually want to buy. An ISA is also tax efficient. There is no UK capital gains or income tax on your investments. There is also no tax on your dividends. So if you invest £20,000 within this year for your ISA, and that £20,000 becomes £25,000, let's say, you have made about 25% increase on your investment. If you take that out, there is no capital gain tax that you have to pay because you invested in your ISA, and that is tax advantage. That is what an ISA is for. It is to provide you with an opportunity to make money without paying any taxes, but it is limited to £20,000 within a given year. The dates for your ISA for this year, so 2021, is from 6th of April until 5th of April of 2022. You can invest up to £20,000 in your ISA, and that is it. Another advantage of your ISA is long-term investment. You can watch your money grow with income, dividends, and capital gains accrued without paying any taxes. As I have mentioned, you will not also pay taxes on any dividends within your ISA. So you can take advantage of the compound interest and keep on reinvesting every single year once you are maxing out your ISA. Annual ISA allowance is £20,000. You can see from 2021 to 2022, as I have mentioned, from 6th of April until 5th of April, you can deposit up to £20,000 in your ISA. No hassle, less tax, admin, and hassle. Yeah, you can pretty much open an account and deposit your money, buy your stocks, and nobody's gonna do anything about it. And it is going to be reported to HMRC. Now, what you also need to know with your stocks and shares ISA is that if you withdraw your money within the given year, your deposit allowance will not go back up. So let's say you have a £20,000 deposit allowance and you have deposited £5,000, and in 3 months you need to take that £5,000 out because you have some expenses going on. Basically, you should be never doing that. You should have an emergency fund, but let's say something happened and you need your money back. You can withdraw that money anytime, but your allowance is not going to go back up to 20,000. So if you have withdrawn 5,000, it is going to stay at 15,000. You can only deposit up to £20,000 flat. If you withdraw any amount of money, that it does not get refilled. So just remember that if you need to withdraw that is going to happen. Just have that at the back of your mind. And some promotional stuff for Freetrade. I have my account with Freetrade, my ISA with Freetrade, so basically I'm gonna be talking about them as I don't have experience with any other platform. So starting off with commission-free investing, yes, there is no commissions, which is pretty standard now for the applications, for the apps on your phone to not have any commissions when you are buying stocks. FSCS protected. Now this one is pretty important. You always want to check if the platform that you're trading with is FSCS protected. This is the regulation governing body that is protecting your money. So if Freetrade was to go bust, you can recover up to £85,000 of your money, pretty much as an insurance policy. So if you are going to be investing more than £85,000 of your money, maybe you want to look into splitting your money into different platforms that have FSCS protection on them. So maybe put 50,000 on Freetrade, 50,000 on Trading 212, etc, etc. Vast stock universe, they are still growing, still expanding, so not all stocks are going to be available on Freetrade, not all ETFs are going to be available on Freetrade, but you can still find a large amount of them. You can see the full stock list here. This point is also pretty important. Fractional shares. You can invest from £2 and own a piece of even the most expensive US stock. So let's say Amazon is trading at $2,000 or $3,000. You don't have to buy the whole share. You can invest £50 into Amazon and you're still gonna own a portion of that share. And that's also gonna pay you out dividends. So you don't have to buy the full stock. Don't be scared that you have to invest some large amounts of money to start your portfolio and start growing your money. You can invest in bits. You can invest £50 a week, £100 a month, or whatever it might be. But as long as you are investing and you are growing your portfolio and diversifying it, you can do that simply by buying fractional shares of different companies. And that is pretty much it. Low flat fee and instant trades, that pretty much links into commission-free investing. And what can you invest in on Freetrade? You can invest US and UK stocks, ETFs I will be explaining in a different video, but it's pretty much a simple way to diversify your portfolio. I'm usually using Vanguard ETFs to buy stocks such as S&P 500, so the biggest top 500 companies in the US. That's what an ETF is for. REIT stocks, those stocks relate to real estate and investment trusts. You can compare prices around here. Freetrade, as you can see, is pretty cheap. I have no complaints about it. I've been using it for about 7 months right now, and really there has been no issues. Every single email that I have sent out to transfer my money, deposit or withdraw my money, there has been no issues, and it is actually just £3 a month to open your ISA, and there is no reason why you should be investing into a general investment account rather than your ISA. There is no benefits of investing money into a normal, simple account rather than a stocks and shares ISA. So don't take my word for it. Do your own research why a stocks and shares ISA is important if you haven't gotten enough information from this video. And if you want to invest your money on Freetrade and open an ISA account, I'm going to leave you a link down in the description where you can open your money and deposit £10 and get a free share up to £200, and that is a referral link. So I'm also gonna get one if you do invest. So that is gonna be it for this video. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel for the YouTube algorithm and help me grow, and I will see you in the next one.